Hello everybody, in this video we are going to see how we can download the Visual Studio, which is our development environment to develop C# and .NET applications. I'm going to keep this video very simple, under 2 minutes, that's what I'm aiming for. So let's begin. The first thing you need to do is go to your browser and search for Visual Studio. Then you will find a link from the Microsoft. Click on it. Scroll up and you can see 3 versions of Visual Studio. We're going to download the first one. Hover on the download Visual Studio button and download the Community 2022 version. Just click open after finishing the download and you're going to download a Visual Studio installer in your machine. When it is done, an interface like this will be opened in your laptop or PC. Yes, and we are going to download the first one, which is ASP.NET. Just check the box, click on it once and a tick will be appeared. Then click the install button. Don't worry about the size, and it's going to be around 1 GB. After finishing the installation and the setup, you can see Visual Studio application, which is Visual Studio 2022 application in your Windows machine. And the download time will be around 15 to 20 minutes. After finishing your download, you can simply launch your application from this installer by clicking the launch button. Yeah. Otherwise, you can search for Visual Studio 2022 in your Windows. Click open. And you can find an interface which is similar to the image like this. Yeah, before that, it's an optional thing that you can sign into your Visual Studio or not. For now, it's fine. You can ignore the sign-in portion. And this is the Visual Studio 2022. And there are some quick options that we can access from here. We can create a clone repository. We can create some projects. We can create a folder. Open a folder. And these are some recent files that I have opened. Yeah, see you in the next video.